How to clear cookies on iPhone. Let's get started. Apps like Google and Safari holds a lot of cache in your device, so you have to clear cookies from those apps. For that, open your settings, scroll down, head towards the option of Safari. Once you find it, open it. Now scroll down. You will see the option of clear history and website data. Click on it. Check in for the option of all history. Toggle on for the option of close all tabs. Now click on clear history. Once you do that, close this. Now open your Google app. At the top right corner, you will find the profile icon. Click on it. Now head towards the option of settings. Open the option privacy and security. Click on the option history. You'll find two options, app history and cookies. Click on the option of clear for both the options. With that, you will be good to go. So this is how you can easily clear cookies on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.